What if I told you that you can turn simple text or even a single image into a stunning high-quality video in just seconds without watermark? With VEO3 using TopMediai AI video generator, you can do exactly that. I'll show you an AI video generation platform where you can access VEO3 completely. Imagine typing a short prompt or uploading a picture and instantly watching it transform into a video that looks like it was made by a pro editor. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer trying to grab attention, or a storyteller looking to bring your ideas to life, VEO3 gives you the tools to make viral-ready videos without paying a dime. Stick with me because in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use VEO3 to start creating videos today for free. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the best free AI tools. To access VEO3 completely free, all you need to do is head over to the TopMediai AI website that I am currently showing on the screen. I have also placed the direct link in the description of this video so you can find it quickly without any confusion. Once you arrive at the site, the next step is to create your free account. The process is simple and does not take much time at all. Just click on the sign up button, fill in your basic details, or sign up with just your Gmail, and you will immediately be ready to start exploring the platform. Once you have successfully signed up and created your free account, the next step is very straightforward. On the home page, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you will see an option labeled AI Video. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main section of the platform, where all of the video generation magic happens. Inside the AI video section, you will be able to access VEO3 directly, along with several other premium models that are also available for use. Here you can add rich visual effects and create results that stand out on any platform. No complicated software, no wasted hours editing, just your ideas instantly turned into content that captivates your audience. Each model is designed to give you a slightly different creative style and level of quality, so you have the freedom to experiment and see which one works best for your project. Whether you are transforming a simple text prompt into a dynamic animation, or uploading an image to turn it into a cinematic sequence, this is the place where you will bring your ideas to life. Before I move forward with the tutorial and show you exactly how to use this platform step by step, let's take a moment to see what is actually possible with it. I want to share a few sample videos that I personally generated using this tool, completely for free. These examples will give you a clear idea of the kind of results you can expect once you start experimenting with VEO3 and the other premium models available inside the AI video section. Pay close attention to the details, the quality and the creativity in these clips, because each of them started with nothing more than a simple text prompt or an image. This will help you visualize the power of the tool before we dive deeper into the process together. Once you are on the main dashboard, you will notice that you have two powerful video generation options available. The first is image to video, and the second is text to video. For now, let me walk you through how the image to video feature works step by step so you can see the process clearly. The first thing you need to do is select the model you would like to use. This tool currently gives you access to 3 different models, each offering its own unique strengths and creative possibilities. If you want to compare how the models perform, there is a button right here that allows you to preview and evaluate them side by side. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using VEO3, the latest edition and the most advanced model available on the platform. Now go ahead and click here to upload the image that you want to transform into a video. After that, move to the text box where you will type a few words or a short prompt describing exactly what you want the image to become once it is animated. One important detail to keep in mind is the translation button. Make sure it is turned on, especially if English is not your first language. This feature automatically translates your prompt into English, which helps the AI understand your request more accurately and deliver better results. Next, you will need to choose your video quality. There are 3 options available. For this demonstration, I will select the standard quality setting, which works well for this tutorial. After that, you can set the video duration based on how long you want your final output to be. Another key setting is the aspect ratio. You have the option of choosing the vertical format, which is perfect for TikTok videos or YouTube Shorts, or the horizontal format, which is ideal for long-form YouTube content. For this tutorial, I will select the horizontal format so it is better suited for a wider viewing experience. Once you have everything set, the model, the image, your descriptive prompt, the quality, duration, and aspect ratio, double-check your settings. When you are satisfied, click on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, the tool will process your request and create your video without a watermark. And now let's go ahead and preview the result together. Now that we have explored the image to video feature, let's try out the text to video option. To begin, simply click on the text to video button on the dashboard. This will open up the section where you can create videos entirely from written prompts, without needing to upload any images. The first step here is to select the video model you want to use. Just like before, you have 3 different models available, but for this demonstration, I will once again choose VEO3 because it delivers the latest and most advanced results. Next, move to the prompt field. This is where you type in a description of exactly what you want the AI to generate. It could be anything from a cinematic scene, a product showcase, or even a creative story sequence. To make sure the AI understands your instructions clearly, be sure that the translation button is turned on. This feature is especially helpful if English is not your first language, since it will automatically translate your prompt into English for smoother processing. After writing your prompt, select the video generation quality. As with the previous example, there are 3 quality levels available. For this tutorial, I will stick with the standard quality setting. Once that is done, you will need to choose the duration of your video, depending on how long you want the output to be. The next step is to set the aspect ratio. You can pick vertical, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, or horizontal, which works best for long-form videos on YouTube and other widescreen platforms. For this demonstration, I will select the vertical format so you can see how the tool adapts to short-form content. Once everything is properly configured, the model, the prompt, the quality, the duration, and the aspect ratio, go ahead and click on the Generate button. The AI will take just a few seconds to process your request, and then your video will be ready without watermarks. Now let's go ahead and preview the result together. Now let's move on and test out the effects feature. Begin by clicking on the Effects tab. From here you will see a wide pool of amazing visual effects to choose from. Go ahead and select one that catches your eye. Next, upload an image that you would like to animate and enhance with the effect you've chosen. Once your image is uploaded, select the video quality setting that suits your needs, then click the Create button. In just a few seconds, the tool will process your request, and your still image will be transformed into a fully animated video, styled with the effect you selected. Pretty amazing, right? It gives you the freedom to add a creative twist to simple images and bring them to life instantly. If at any point you want to revisit or re-download your past creations, simply click on the History tab. This section stores all of your previous projects, so you can access them whenever you like. And that's how to use VEO3 for free. If you ever run out of credits, don't worry, I've left a special link in the video description that will give you a huge discount. Try it out for yourself, and let me know what you think in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss more tutorials like this one.